Welcome class 8 in our e-learning class. Now today we will continue with the chapter Understanding Marginalization. I have written the name of the chapter on the board and even the page number 83. Who are Adivashis? Adivashi, the term literally means original inhabitants. Okay. Are communities who lived and often continue to live in close association with forests. Underline this one. Around 8% of India's population is Adivashi, and many of India's most important mining and industrial centers are located in Adivashi areas like Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bokaro and Bhilai, among others. Adivashis are not a homogeneous population. There are over 500 different Adivashi groups in India. So, we can see from here, just wait. So children, from here we can see that these Adivashis are not a homogeneous population. That means not alike, not of the same type. Meaning of homogeneous, you know, alike or same type. Okay, there are over 500 different Adivashi groups in India, underlined 500, over 500 different groups of Adivashis in India. Adivashis are particularly numerous in states like Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, and in the northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. So where not almost all over India we can find them. A state like Odisha is home to more than 60 different tribal groups, underlined. So in Odisha alone we can find more than 60 different tribal groups. Okay. Adivashi societies are also most distinctive because there is often very little hierarchy. Meaning of hierarchy is given among them. So what is the meaning of hierarchy? Let's see. So according to this chapter here, the hierarchy meaning is a graded system of arrangement of persons or things. Usually persons at the bottom of the hierarchy are those who have the least power. Chain system, that means. The caste system is a hierarchical system and Dalits are considered to be at the lowest term. So caste system, we can know that what sort of hierarchy is there. That's why it is known as hierarchical system. And there we can find that the Dalits are considered to be at the lowest end. Okay. This makes them radically different from communities organized around principles of Jati Varna, caste, or those they were ruled by kings. Adivashi practice a range of tribal religions that are different from Islam, Hinduism and Christianity. So their religion, we can understand that it is somewhat but they are different, totally might be, from the existing or leading religions like Islam, Hinduism and Christianity. This often involve the worship of ancestors, village and nature spirits. The last associated with and residing in various sites in the landscape, mountain spirits, river spirits, animal spirits, etc. So these people, they believe or they worship their ancestors. They believe they worship the village, they worship the nature spirits, and the spirits like mountain spirits, river spirits, animal spirits, they worship this type of spirits only. The village spirits are often worshipped as specific sacred groves within the village boundary, while the ancestral ones are usually worshipped at home. So village spirits are worshipped at specific sacred groves and within the village boundary, while the ancestral ones are usually worshipped at home. So in this way they worship their different, or they practice their religion. So we can find that there's they worship this nature spirit or village, not nature, sorry, village spirits in sacred groves. That means a small forest type or some groups of trees are there, and with that must be within the village boundary, and they worship their ancestral in their home. Additionally, Adivashis have always been influenced by different surrounding religions like Shakta, Buddhist, Vaishnava, Bhakti, and Christianity. Simultaneously, Adivashi religions themselves have influenced dominant religions of empires around them. For example, the Jagannath cult of Orissa and Shakti and Tantric traditions in Bengal and Assam. During the 19th century, substantial numbers of Adivashis converted to Christianity, which has emerged as a very important religion in modern Adivashi history. Adivashis have their own language, most of them radically different from the different from and possibly as old as Sanskrit, which have often been deeply influenced the formation of mainstream Indian languages like Bengali, Santali, has the largest number of speakers and has a significant body of publications including magazines on the internet or in e-zines. So from here we can come to know about something related to Adivashi people and Adivashi lives. We will read more about this chapter in our next class. Till then, you just give a tick mark up to these, and if you are having any query or problem, you will ask me through our e-portal. Okay, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.